Okay, we're going to look at your Excel lab. So we're given the file below is from the National Center for Health Statistics. I actually got it from one of the StatDist data sets. So you're going to download this. The data set is called Body Data, and it contains the measurements commonly found in the healthcare exams, or in healthcare exams. The measurements are from 300 individuals, and you're going to ask to find a simple random sample of 30, and then we're going to be finding the mean, median, mode, and sample standard deviation for the weight and BMI. For those 30 samples, we're going to create 2 histograms, one for weight and BMI, and then we're going to describe the shape of each. Okay, so download your file there. I think I already have it downloaded down here for me. So notice that you're given a lot of information here. I thought this, again, was appropriate where you all are nursing students, and you're going to understand these units and measurements way better than I am. So just to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to take out what I don't need. So I'm going to leave age, leave weight, and BMI. I may use age later on for something else. Okay, so we're going to create a random number so that we can generate a random sample of 30. It's just a little tricky on some parts. So it's just a simple equal. All formulas in Excel start with equal. And then shut your parentheses, left and right. Okay. And then you copy that down. Notice that I had to wait for that plus sign to change to a solid black plus. And then I'm able to copy the formula down. I'll attach to it there. Okay. Now, the rand function is a little, I guess, funny in Excel in that fact that if you click anywhere in here or do anything else, that number is going to change. So I want to sort this from least to greatest. In order to do that, while it's still highlighted, I have to right click and copy, right click again and do paste special and say paste values only, and that gets rid of the rand function, and that allows me to do other stuff. Click off of it in the cell. So if I didn't do that and I clicked anywhere on here, these numbers would change. So now I'm going to sort them. Let me put random numbers here. And auto fit. So I'm going to highlight across A, B, C, and D. Sort. Custom sort. And I want to sort it by random number. Smallest to largest. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to pull out the first 30. I want the header to go with it. So I'm actually coming down here to 31. Copy. Control V. Paste it. Okay, now yours is going to be different than mine because of your random numbers. And that's okay. So, sample of 30. Let's see it. Random sample of 30. I think I'm gonna merge and center that. Make it bold. Maybe increase the font size a little bit. And then I'm gonna rename this sheet random sample. So that answers number 1. So for number 2, I'm gonna highlight these 30. Copy. I'm gonna add another sheet. Paste it in. I'm gonna call this one rename. Okay. Descriptive statistics and histogram. Let me, I guess if I continue, remember, you know, we'll abbreviate descriptive DSC. Okay. Make it even better, we'll just take the descriptive off of statistics and histogram. Okay, whatever you want to name this is fine. I'm going to go up here and I'll type mean, median, mode, standard deviation. I'll auto fit, weight, BMI, I need to auto fit this one as well. Equal average to get through mean, and then highlight those, shut your parentheses, equal median, equal mode. Mode is your one that's repeated most often. Where these are decimals, you may or may not have one. This may be an NA, and that's okay if you get an NA for it. It just means that there was no number repeated in there. Okay, well, we had one. Was actually 84.5. 84.5. Standard deviation. This is sample standard deviation. So I'm gonna use a little help here. I think it's STDEV. Hit go. I think I want. Notice that it gives you some more. This is a sample. Yeah, that's what I want. And this one just looks a little different. All I simply do here is highlight that and hit OK. So same thing for BMI, equal average. Okay, equal median. Okay, equal mode. I'd like to see one with an NA in it. Maybe this don't have it. No, obviously we had 30.3 repeated in here. Equal, we did this was ST. I'll do it this way. STDEVS instead of going up there to the formula bar. And hot. Okay, now I'm going to do the histograms for weight and their BMI. So I'm going to highlight and I'm going to go to insert histogram. Okay. Weight and kg, and you know, histogram just shows you the frequency of your distribution. If you want to, you click on this chart design. You can make it a little fancier if you wanted to. Okay, this one I would say probably skewed to the right. I mean, it's not real bad skewed. I mean, if this one if this one here had been down here, I would have said it was more like symmetric. So again, yours is going to be, depending on, you know, your sample, it may not look anything like mine at all. So let's do another one for VMI. And it puts it over top of the other one, so you gotta move it out. BMI is in kg per, I'm assuming, meter squared. Go to home here to get this superscript up here. Superscript. Okay. To get your square in there. Okay. Again, I would tend to say the histogram up here is be skewed to the right. Simply because of this over here. Let's see what else you can chart design. I think if you wanted to do some other fancy stuff, like you could change these bar colors here. Let me do BMI in orange. Okay. Man, you don't have to. Let's see. Try that again. Oh, it's probably not going to let me change that one. It won't, because I used one of those pre-formatted ones. And that's okay. So however you want to do that. I like that. Neat. It's too dark. It's kind of nice. Okay, I hope this helps. I think I've answered everything. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.